Hey guys, welcome back to another Spec video. My name is Tommy and this is my 1997 E36 M3. Today we are changing out this 4-spoke steering wheel to a later model year 3-spoke steering wheel. So this is the steering wheel that I'm replacing with. This steering wheel comes on the later model year, the 1998 to 1999 E36 M3. I really like the shape of this steering wheel because it's a 3-spoke. It has a more updated look, and it has the BMW Rondo logo, and also the tricolor stitching. This steering wheel actually measured a little bit smaller compared to the 4-spoke steering wheel that came on my car. So this steering wheel measured at 38 centimeters versus the 4-spoke is at 39.5 centimeters. In order to do this swap successfully, you would actually need a different slip ring. Another part that you would need is you would actually need a new column switch bracket for the 3-spoke steering wheel. The shape is a little bit different, so be sure to also get this part if you're switching from 4-spoke to a 3-spoke steering wheel. I use a T27 Torx head to remove the airbag.
Easy. Whew. Awesome.
In order to remove the original switch column bracket, you first have to remove the stalks, the turn signal stalk, wiper stalk, and the cruise control stalk. The two tabs, top and bottom, you just have to squeeze them and they will slide right out off of the bracket. Same thing for the wiper as well as the cruise control. There's a little tab that can slide out. Also remove this little guy here and just slide this whole thing down. And after that, you just have to disconnect this switch right here. So here's a side-by-side comparison of the original bracket that's off of the car. That's for the 4-spoke steering wheel versus the new bracket that I'll be putting in. That's for the 3-spoke. You'll notice that the biggest difference is this plunger thing is on the right side versus the new brackets on the left side. I believe that's for probably when the steering wheel is returned back to the center, it will cancel the turn signal. I will need to transfer that over. So this white plunger that I just showed you guys was kind of a pain in the butt to take out, but I managed to get it out. So all I need to do is to feed it on this side. There you go. After doing some more research, you actually don't need to transfer this horn contact switch from the old bracket to the new one. However, you would need it in order for the horn to work. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove it from the old bracket. We want to use this connector that we can plug into the car side. We're gonna chop this wire in half, and we're gonna use this section. We can splice it into the brown wire on the new steering wheel slip ring. That way our horn will work. The blue wire, we don't need that, so we can kind of just cap it off. It kind of makes sense for this contact switch for the old steering wheel, because if you look at the contact for the old slip ring on the back, you'll see like kind of like a metal contact. I think that's where the when you press the horn, it pushes against the this part where it will make contact with the horn switch. Versus on the new one on the back, you don't see that metal contact on the slip ring. So I have gone ahead and capped off the blue wire and soldered on the horn connector. The next step is to just put the steering wheel onto the shaft. Make sure the steering wheel is centered when you put it on. As you can see, I have the airbag connector hooked up to the airbag, and as well as the horn wiring. Keep in mind the connector for the horn is actually on the top right corner of the airbag, right here. Don't make a mistake of like connecting the horn to this kind of like a metal piece right here. I actually broke the stock kind of connector trying to like do it here, so I had to whip up like a new connector and put it at the correct spot. I just hooked up the battery and we'll see if the horn works. So on the 3-spoke steering wheel, the part that I really like is actually the grip position is a little bit lower. It's a 3/9 position versus on the 4-spoke it was actually a little bit higher. So it was a little bit awkward. So sometimes I would drive like holding it on the bottom on the 4-spoke, but on the 3-spoke the grip is like perfect. You have a really good grip on the steering wheel. The reason why I also chose this particular steering wheel is because I really wanted to keep it OEM, and this steering wheel is actually coming from a 98.5 to 99 year model, so it fits the bill. There are a lot of other 3-spoke Euro model steering wheels, but I actually don't really prefer them because their size is actually bigger, if not the same as the 4-spoke steering wheel that I just removed, and I actually still prefer like a little bit smaller diameter steering wheel. If you have any questions about the installation of the swap from a 4-spoke to a 3-spoke steering wheel, make sure to drop them in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get to them. And if you like this video, make sure to click the like button. Thank you for watching, and follow us for more spigot adventure. Bye bye.